Hey guys, I am back with the cube, and the purpose of this video this time is to get a record of how fast I can actually do the cube. But my current record stands at about 145, which is very slow, so I'm hoping that this time I'm gonna be able to cut the timing short. Well, I'm gonna be starting about 8 seconds. I've done a study of the cube beforehand, so I'm not cheating. Gonna go. Man, the cube is so tight. Okay, done. Well, I think that's about 50 seconds or so, somewhere around there. So I'm gonna do the math later and update it a little bit. So I think that's about the end of the video. There's no other point besides the timing, so see you again.